Sometimes I lose my mind, get a little ratchet. Hoes want cash or to get his hard dick. From that place where they move right bricks and the cops say hi with a damn nice stick. Broad daylight and we still hit licks. Rock 10 gold chains and you still ain't shit. Sip a little something, bitch, get a little lit. Just might go M Night Shyamalan split.
Money coming, money go. I've been at it on the low. Trapping out a while live. I keep seeing the leaders doing us. We talking plans and maybe seeing you. Pull up on you, let me scoop. Nobody here but me and you. Got a little ring to it, turn a thing fluid in the
Right, we're finally here to do a video on Robert's car. What is it, Robert?
It's Land Rover Series 1 1955 107
107.
with a TD5 10p engine, Defender axles, Defender running gear, Defender gearbox, and it goes like stink.
And who's it remapped by?
It's mapped by Jose at TD5inside.
Repping up there.
Awesome.
It is bloody cool, I have to say. Right, let's get the bonnet open and have a look. See all the work you've done to it. It is seriously well fitting there, isn't it?
So that's yeah, standard Land Rover TD5 squeezed in, and it fits.
So do you know where you got the engine from?
No, I bought it online, unknown, but it came with a reconditioned gearbox. So that was the sale. That was the sale, really. And then it's running just a 300 TDI radiator, standard intercooler, standard turbo, just with a map.
And you fabricated all this yourself?
Yeah, made all the brackets, made it all align, centered the engine best we could with the gearbox where you want it, but wanted to fit as much as we could under the bonnet.
What, so you had to move it left and right?
Forward and back.
Forward and back.
Forward
Okay.
and back, yeah.
Very cool. And any plans to big turbo?
Nah, not at the minute.
No, keep
Not
it
at
all
the
standard.
minute. Yeah.
It does look good because it all fits in very, very well.
And it doesn't weigh anything. This weighs less than a standard Defender.
Is it?
So it moves quickly.
And you don't know how many miles are on that, no?
No, I've no idea. If it went pop tomorrow, I wouldn't worry about it too much.
But Robert is actually a mechanic. We are imposters, but he is actually a mechanic, and he does everything very well and properly, rather than us bodging it. So, Lynette, you made the bulkhead as well, didn't you?
Yeah, I made the bulkhead, fabricated bulkhead.
Completely from scratch.
Completely.
Did you need to do that because
The old one that's lying, we've got the old one, the show what's left.
we'll go have a look.
It is.
Let's go have a look. Right, so this I'm told is the original bulkhead. So this is why he had to build from scratch his own bulkhead, and you literally built it from scratch, didn't you?
Yeah, totally.
And we'll hopefully pop some photos up
Yeah.
on the screen as he built it.
Yeah.
And this is the original car, original chassis
Yeah.
and
So
engine.
I've still got the engine and gearbox and everything, the axles all still here.
So what chassis is on that one then?
Modified 107 chassis.
Modified 107.
Spring.
So it's not just a bolted on body to a
No,
TD5. It's completely bespoke. So that's all that's left of the original car, and he's chopped it up.
So we tried to make it look as standard as possible. So all I've done is copied the Series 1 bulkhead, but just fabricated it here. So everything's the Series 1 seals, but then we've just fitted Defender wipers, or like a Series 3, I suppose.
That's you put that in, is it?
Yeah.
And that's electric
Heated screen.
heated screen,
Yeah.
which means you can drive it more as a daily.
Yeah, because I want to use it. That's the
Is
whole
it cold
point.
inside? Like, is there a lot of draft?
Yeah, well, not so much draft. It's just a cold.
Just cold. Have you got a heater?
Yeah, there's 2 heaters in it.
That you put in?
Yeah. 2.
Electric?
Yeah. With a controller and everything there. A normal fan controller and everything.
Very nice.
Very luxury.
What's
Going
that?
for all the luxuries.
What's this? A Motolisa or is it just
Well, yeah, it's a copy of the
copy.
motor, Yeah.
Don't need anything too fancy.
No.
And then these are the original dials, you just
They're
brush them
TD5,
back.
Yeah, TD5 dials, rub the black off and it's brass underneath.
It looks cool, that. And you can't do that one, is it?
No,
Plastic?
that's plastic, yeah. There's always one.
Issues. It is really cool how you made the whole bulkhead for yourself. So how did you copy it off anything?
Yeah, I got another Series 1 chassis. A friend of mine had a bulkhead, and I just copied the measurements off a good bulkhead.
Did you? Okay.
And then fabbed it and edited it to suit.
And these are sealed up now?
Yeah, and I've just sealed them up.
Not the
Stop
wheels,
draft,
yeah.
because they never seal.
Yeah, fair. And especially all the rubber always. Perishes. And your seats, any plans for the seats?
They're going to be Defender backs and Defender bases, and then they'll just be custom. So there'll be no headrests or nothing. So it'll just be 2 individual seats
Which you can't move.
Which won't move, no.
But you need to be able to take this one off, no?
Aye, they'll just unhook the same.
Just
They'll
like
just
that.
use the same pads. They just use the same frames.
So this where all your electronics are. Is this easy
that's
unit?
a mess in there just now.
Is it?
Yeah, have a look.
It's not that bad. Seen worse.
Yeah.
Mine's probably worse. Mine's me. Right, so all these pedals here, are they all TD5 pedals? Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that's electric.
Yeah. TD5 potential.
And do they fit in okay?
Yeah. Just a wee bit of modification. Move them side to side.
You don't have to wear your driving shoes when you're driving, no?
No. You can still wear your wellies.
You can still wear your wellies.
Still work all the knobs with gloves on. It's Land Rover design.
And did you have to, I'm assuming you had to just adjust that?
Yeah, because
Off
the
the side.
gearbox is further back than standard. Because of the long bell housing for a TD5.
Is it difficult to drive?
No.
It's not awkward, no.
No, you can't go there.
Some proper seatbelts and etc.
Yeah.
Very cool. Right, so it's a 1955 107.
1955 107 truck cab. So the 107 is a long wheelbase version.
Yeah.
And it was a complete car down in south of London. So I bought it on eBay, put it on a trailer and brought it back up, and it was a non-driving.
That's what the chassis was outside?
That's why that chassis and everything was outside. And so I took the body and given it a whole new life. And I wanted to use it.
So you managed to find another chassis
I bought another chassis.
and modified it?
And modified it completely.
Okay.
Painted it and restored it.
And would your plan always to leave this patinaed?
Yes,
As it is, yeah.
I might end up having to lacquer it because of every time you wash it, more green comes
Is
off.
it?
And it's a non-standard colour,
Is it?
but I wanted to just use
Keep it the way it is.
the way it was, and it came from Orkney.
Did it?
All
Did
that
it?
rust, all that rust along the top, is seawater and rainwater from the islands. Washing
That's cool.
the gal.
And how long did it take you to make it? Oh, the whole thing?
I would say.
Well, I know it's not finished yet,
It's
but-
not finished, but it probably took me nearly enough 6 months.
Was it?
Yeah, with the fabrication.
And that's every day on it?
Because I cut off all sorts of brackets that weren't needed.
Did you?
And tried to make it as plain as possible.
Yeah. Because what was it, 2 years ago that
Yeah,
TD5 inside was here? But when were TD5 inside here?
A year ago now.
Was that a year ago, was it?
A year ago now,
Was it?
Yeah. Literally almost.
And it wasn't that was the first time you had it on the road?
Yes.
Was it?
Yeah.
Do you need them?
Because when I came back, remember I had to rebuild the engine apart. I had to
Oh,
do the
yeah.
top end rebuild.
Yeah, I
We
forgot about
found when I pulled the rocker cover off,
that.
pulled one of the rocker studs, and one of the rocker studs sheared, and went to take the last 5 out, and 4 out of 5 broke in the head. So I'm lucky I'd never driven it.
That was a hassle.
Otherwise, I'm in catastrophic failure.
And so all the suspension stuff, what's that? Is that
It's
all
all just Defender standard.
all Defender?
Defender 90 suspension, shocks and springs.
90?
90. Yeah.
Because it's not got
but
any weight.
No weight.
No weight to it. And the axles are Defender axles as well.
Defender TD5 axle.
Should we get up and have a look underneath?
Yeah.
Right, so Defender axles.
Defender axles, Defender steering.
And you just bought them second hand off somewhere?
Yes, yeah. You can just buy them easy enough, pick them up easy enough.
And all this fits? It just fit? Or was there a
Just-
lot of fabrication?
There was a lot of fabrication, yeah.
Was it?
Moving brackets, making brackets.
So things like, did you have to move all these or just these?
Yeah.
And you just took the measurements, and you
Measurements and moved them and
moved them back and forth,
Yeah,
really?
yeah.
And it's fine now.
Yeah.
What's the tracking like on it?
spot on.
Is it?
Yeah, there's nothing.
Always measure once,
Yeah.
cut twice.
Or something like that.
And they're vented discs in the front.
Vented discs in the front. Yeah, vented discs. Defender 110 calipers and discs.
The good thing about it looks cool, and it is.
It looks
It'll just drive just like a Defender then.
Yes, there's nothing different.
Apart from the noise.
Apart from the noise.
Are you going to put speakers in it?
I haven't
think
decided yet. I've been using headphones.
Headphones to keep the noise out. Right, so
It makes
this
it comfortable.
is completely standard, or do you have to make that?
No, that's it's standard front pipe. It's a modified midsection, and then it's a standard 90. Or it might have been a 110.
With the
can't
silencer
remember,
black.
For the black silencer.
Yeah, which you want.
Yeah.
TD5.
And then it's a Defender 110
So did you put these in for anti-robots? Or are they already in?
No, they were on the cross member because it's a 110 cross member.
Is it?
Yeah.
So would you put a anti-robot on this?
No.
It doesn't need it.
No, it doesn't need it.
No.
Too hard.
Is it?
Yeah, too hard.
And when you bought this, that was rotten, wasn't it? So you put that on?
Yeah, so yeah, exactly. The axle was rotten, so that's a Tomcat Motorsport.
Is it?
Diff pan, yeah. Heavy duty, but I just had it.
That's
so I
cutting
used
it close in up here.
Yeah, I'm not going to do that. You don't hear it inside.
And fuel tank?
Fuel tank is a 110 300 TDI with all the vent pipes and stuff for the.
So where's the fuel pump?
Inside the back.
So it's not actually in the fuel tank,
No,
it's
no,
up in the
no. You
back.
could submerge it, but it's inside the
But it's
back.
like an aftermarket thing, isn't it?
Yeah, it's an 044, Bosch 044, which is like a
That's some
motorsport
tech spec
pump.
for you, because
Yeah, it's a,
Bosch 044.
yeah, it's a motorsport spec fuel pump.
Is it?
Yeah,
Better? Is that better? Is it?
it's not. It's just it should be reliable.
Is it? Yeah.
It should be reliable.
Oh, so that's up there, is it?
It's inside there. Yeah. No, it's inside that box.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, at least you got access to it as well.
Yeah. Well, I want to keep it dry.
Have you towed with this?
Yes, I
Did you?
picked up that 90 with it.
Did you?
Yeah. And
How was it?
And it drives way better than a fucking 90
Does it?
does. Yeah.
So the last time I saw it, it didn't have this back tonneau cover, what it was called.
Canvas.
Canvas.
And it's a Series 3 109 canvas and hood sticks. Because the 107 hood sticks and everything stuck out above the cab.
So will you take that off for summer?
Yeah,
We
yeah,
don't.
because I've just.
I think it looks cool, doesn't it?
It does look cool though.
Let's get that light.
It's keeping the cunt dry.
Shite, Will. Right, so a lot of people commented online when TD5inside put up the post saying that it's just a
Body bolted on.
body bolted on, but it's not. It is, as you can see, completely bespokely built, which I think is quite cool. And as I say, Robert is actually a mechanic, so he, well, mechanic by trade. Used to be, not anymore. It is well fit. See, I got a lot of abuse for having my air filter next to my.
Yeah, I haven't.
But
got,
you got a
I
choice.
don't have space.
There's no space at all. That's only just fitting in.
Yeah, you want cold air, but you've got to look at it practically.
Yeah.
I think in time I'll maybe make a box underneath a wing,
And try and put it in.
but I'll see.
Have you seen what they did to mine?
No, I'd never seen yours inside. I saw the video, but I didn't actually.
I've
see
not
what
done a
it is.
proper video on it yet,
Yeah.
that's why. Have you seen the exhaust? Or-
Yeah, parts of it. Yeah. Have you been using it?
No, I've not used them up 2 months. Probably battery's probably dead. I was going to rate it this morning, but
Yeah.
I thought you'd get annoyed at me for making noise. Right, the plan is to go and do some driving around, some testing,
See what like.
some footage. You've heard all about the car, you've been bored to death. And I'll get some cool footage and some sound hopefully, so enjoy. Hear the intake the whole time. You sit quite close to the. What's the steering called there? Is that the original one?
Defender.
Defender, is it? Do you have the short control? Now this is a seriously cool car, I have to say. Robert's done a very, very good job on it. It drives just like a normal Defender. Nothing different about it, apart from obviously it looks very cool. And it pulls very well because it's been remapped. so pretty man cave. I think it makes it look even cooler. So we're gonna head down to the quarry, do a little bit of off-roading in it. I think Robert's happy to take off-road, mess around a bit in it and see how we get on. But it does pull well, and you can hear the sound of the turbo inside massively. All the dials working. Mud pluggers. You just get a rev gauge in it. Oh. You hear the sound of that fuel pump working as well, coming back.
It's real. I'm on my Marshawn shit. I been really getting feel. You know why I'm here. Don't act like you don't know how I feel. But let me tell you what you mean to me. Slide on me for that meet and greet. Vibe with me under moonshine, sipping moonshine to the new sky. Sage toasted and be raised soak in the raincoat. Hit the waves quota, I be flossing. I be locked in, I was lost here. All that turned me to a target. Plotting on me, I be cautious. Back then I was an adolescent, then I had a lesson. I'm the man now, I got fans now, I'm on cam now. I got plans now, I'm finna branch out. Grew up quick, but never let go this year. All of that bullshit is in my rip. Ay. Blue tin papers, blowing vapors, wooden traders. Long hair killer in my villa, bitch, I made it. Used to play to play, now I think we major now. She wanna lay me down, I'ma need you to hold me all the way down. Hold it down for me, you say you down for me. You say you hold it all the way down. Hold it down for me, hold it down for me. Say you hold it all the way down. You say you down for me.
Right, that's us now filmed. A whole day filming with the Series 1 1955, which Robert built. If you want any more information, just comment down below. I'm sure we'll be able to answer it. But good day, all in all.
Yeah, very good.
Didn't manage to crash it, which is good, and nothing went wrong.
A bit of fun and no police involved, so
Just a little as well. So we'll maybe do another video on it in summer when it's a little bit better weather, because I don't know how that was today. But hopefully there's a good amount of footage there that you can all look and comment on and have your own opinion on. But any questions, put them down below, and I'll ask Robert to answer them. So enjoy.
technical questions only.
Technical questions only. Like, comment and subscribe. Keep up to date with all the channel updates.